Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix DoorDash payment error with some quick and easy methods that actually work. If your payment is not going through, first check that your card details are entered correctly, including number, expiry date, and CVV. Next, make sure your card has enough balance and is enabled for online transactions, because many payments fail due to simple restrictions. After that, try switching to a different payment method, like another card or digital wallet, to see if the issue is with your bank. Now, check your internet connection and restart the DoorDash app to clear temporary glitches. Also, update the app to the latest version from the App Store, as outdated versions can cause payment problems. If the error still appears, contact your bank to confirm there are no blocks or declines. Finally, try placing the order again and your payment should go through successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.